Round and round we go, looking at ourselves, putting all the pieces of our lives back on the shelf, searching in our eyes, the windows to our soul, measuring the distance of how far we have to go. We are here, right here, right now, trying to make a different world, and hopefully somehow, if we stand tall through it all, make the whole world proud, starting right here, right now, holding out a grateful hand, steady, strong and true, see your spirit flying high.